I'm grateful to have been awarded the Ruben Community Service Award for 2020. I'm especially grateful to the chair of the Philosophy Department, James Hitt, for the nomination, and to my dean, Mark Peretz, for his continued support during my tenure as the Finkbeiner Endowed Professor in Ethics at SVSU. I also want to acknowledge the Finkbeiner estate for the endowment that allows me to serve as a CASA, a court-appointed special advocate for children in Saginaw County. My service as a CASA and volunteer work for the CAN Council has been some of the most challenging and rewarding work of my life. There's a debate in philosophy as old as Socrates about the role of philosophers in public life, whether philosophers should be toiling away in the ivory tower far from the public below, or whether they should be in the streets, like Socrates, working for the common good. Any ethicist should aspire to be more like Socrates, involved in their community. But all of us have that same choice: toil away in the ivory tower or do the hard work in the streets. May we all choose to be more like Socrates and be eligible for this great honor. Thank you to everyone involved in the selection process, and please know how honored I am to be counted as one of the recipients of the Ruben Community Service Award.